Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the recorder and your posture. Hold it upright, breathe from the diaphragm, and place your left hand on top. Align the head, middle, and foot sections now. Once done, bring the left thumb to cover the back thumb hole and rest the right hand lightly underneath. Make small adjustments so holes line up with fingertips. Keep shoulders relaxed. This reduces tension and improves breath control. Begin with a gentle exhale to test a clear open pitch sound before fingering. You now form notes and articulation. Start with open pitch, then cover holes fully. Make sure fingertips seal without pressing joints hard. Use steady breath and short controlled bursts for dynamics. Avoid forcing air. Once comfortable, practice simple scales slowly, lifting fingers cleanly between notes so pitches don't smear. For articulation, use a light tongue motion at the mouthpiece to start notes crisply. Make transitions smooth by coordinating small finger lifts with slight breath changes. This helps intonation and timing as phrases. You finish by applying skills to short tunes and refining tone. Practice in focused 10-15-minute sessions. Warm up, run scales, then play a simple melody while monitoring breath and fingering. Once done, increase tempo gradually and add dynamics for musicality. Make sure to record yourself so you hear pitch and rhythm issues. If notes squeak or sound airy, slow your breath and ensure complete finger coverage. Inspect for leaks or cracks. If problems persist, recheck hand position and mouthpiece alignment before seeking repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.